Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Delta Executor app not installed. Alright, let's begin. First, uninstall the Roblox app from the Play Store. Android will not install a modded version over the original. Remove Roblox completely from phone before installing Delta. Next, disable Google Play Protect. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, select Play Protect, open the Settings gear, and turn off Scan Apps with Play Protect. After that, go to your phone settings, search for Install Unknown Apps, and make sure your browser or file manager is allowed to install APKs. Then, check storage and permissions. The Delta APK needs free space to unpack. Keep at least 3 to 4 gigabytes available, and allow your browser to install unknown apps. Finally, if installation still fails, delete the APK and download a fresh copy from Delta's official website, because corrupted files often cause this error. So that's basically how you can fix Delta Executor app not installed. That's it for this video. Thanks.